In this video, I'll show you how to find your Wise IBAN number inside the Wise app. First, open the Wise app and log into your account. On the home screen, you'll see your different currency balances like euros, GBP, USD, and others. Your IBAN is linked to your euro, EUR balance, so that's the one we'll open. Find the EUR balance and tap on it. This opens your euro account page. Here, look for a button that says Account Details or Your Euro Account Details and tap it. If you don't see any details yet, you might see a button like Get Account Details. In that case, follow the steps to activate them first. Once you're in the Account Details screen, you'll see several pieces of information, including account holder name IBAN, possibly ABIC/SWIFT code, and a bank name. Your IBAN will be clearly labeled. This is the number you give to people or companies who want to send you Eurobank transfers into Wise. If you want to share it, just tap copy next to the IBAN or use the share button if it's available. You can then paste it into a message, email, or form. Always double-check you're sharing the EUR IBAN when someone is sending money in euros. If your euro balance doesn't show account details at all, tap Get Account Details and complete any prompts Wise gives you, such as verification or a small setup step. After that, your IBAN will be generated and saved there permanently. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.